Welcome back, children. Fine? Yes? Very good. See, the Winnie the Pooh, Bunny, Snowman, all are happy? Yes? Yes. See, they are all so happy. Yes, last time you remember why they were so happy? They are going to learn new things. They were learning new things. Yes? So, the same way, my children are also happy. Yes, I can see so many smiling faces. Yes, see, they are all happy. See, snow, dazzling snow. Where we have heard this? Dazzling snow, glittering snow, and all. Yes. Okay, what is it? First, what are all the pictures you are seeing here, children? What does you know this? Yes, snowman. Next is Winnie the Pooh. And what is that in Winnie's hand? It's Little Winnie. What is that name we should say? Yes, you are going to tell me that what we should say. Okay? Will you tell me? Very good. So, see the happy smiles like my children. Yes? Okay, we all go for today's session. Very good. Happy children. Keep it up. What is this picture? Book. Is this a book? Yes. If I ask you, is this a book? What you will say? You will say, yes, this is a book. Correct. Yes, na? Okay. So if I ask you in short, how you will answer? Is this a book? Yes. How you will say? Is this a book? Yes. What is the spelling of a book? B-O-O-K. Book. Very good. Is this a book? Yes. What is it? I asked you, what is it? It means what you should say. Yeah, it is a plate. Correct. Very good. What is it? It is a plate. What is it? It is a plate. See how the question comes. The same way you have to answer. Got it? Yes. Here how I asked you, what is it? So you should say, it is a plate. What is the spelling of a plate? P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Okay. Is it a plate? Yes. Very good. Next is, what picture is this? Clock. Very good. If I ask you what picture is this, you will say picture of a clock. Correct. So what? How the question comes, you have to answer accordingly. Okay. Okay. If I ask you, what is that? You will say, that is a clock. You remember we saw this? Yes. What is that? That is a clock. Correct. And all my children know what is it? What is it? It is a star. Where all my children are getting. Correct? Yes. My children are stars. So they are getting star na? Correct, children. So what is it? It is a star. Okay? Good. What is it? It's a pen? Yes, it's a pen. If I ask you, it is a pen? Yes, it is a pen. Only one pen? It's pens. See, more than one, we should say S na? Remember? Yes, it's pens. Okay, good. What is it? You have seen this in kitchen? Pans. So many pans are there. 3 pans are there. So more than one, we should say S. Na? Pans. What is it? Pans. Okay, if it is one, we should say it is a pan. It is pans. A means only one. Correct? What is it? It is a pan. See, here 3 are there. So what is it? It's pans. It is pans in both ways. Okay? Right? Okay, children. So where you have seen this pans? Mommy would have done roti, dosas. Correct? Yes, in pans. Okay. So which color pan you have? You have the black one. Or which color? You will tell me which pan? Yes. Okay. Done. Now children, we are going to do our work in English workbook. Yes? Chalo, come. Come with your English workbook. It's an yellow book. Yes, yellow book, pencil eraser. Okay, it's very easy. My children are very smart. They will complete fatafat. Yes, I know. They will complete very fast. You see? Come with your things and take. Yes, what we are going to write in that? Exactly, children. Correct. We are going to read a topic, say yes or no and fill in the blanks. Okay? I asked you now, you remember? If I ask you what it is, you should say it is. If I ask you it is a, then you should say yes or no. Okay? Yes. My lovely children. Now take page number 3030. Ready? 3030. Good. First, yes, read the topic. Say yes or no. Simple. We should say yes or no. That's it. Picture is given and sentence is given. We should say simply is that no. That's it. Okay? Good. Write on the top. What we should write? CW. Perfect. And the left side corner, date. Today's date. Yes. Dash 12 dash 2020. We are in which month? 12th month, December. Correct. Year 2020. Okay. Good. So ready? Ready na? Good. What's the first picture? Picture of a plate. So what they have asked? Is it a plate? What we should say? Either we should say yes or no. We will just proceed with the tick mark, children. Okay? It's comfortable for you? Yes? Okay. We will say, if it is there, we will say tick. Whichever is the correct answer, we will put tick mark. You are okay? Yes? Okay, dear. Good. Okay. Start. What is the first thing? Picture of a plate. So what they have asked? Is it a plate? Question mark. Is it a plate? Yes. So as we discussed, we should put tick mark in S. Done. See, put a tick mark how I have done. Okay. What is the second picture? Is it a stick? Is that a stick, children? No. So we should put tick mark in no. What is that? Picture of a pen. Correct. What is the third one? Third picture? Picture of a pan. You remember? Yes. What is that picture? It's a picture of a pan. But what they have asked? Is it a cup? Is it a cup? Oh no. Good. So put tick mark in no. Okay? Good. What is the fourth one? Is it a star? All my stars will be knowing it. Is it a star? Yes. I put a tick mark in yes. Done? Good. Done? Very good. What is the last one? What picture is this? Is it a picture of a book? Yes, na? We know this is a picture of a book. Okay, what they have asked? Is it a book? Is it a book? Yes. So give a tick mark in yes. Done? Good. I told you na, it is very simple, children. You all will do very easily. Yes, correct? Okay, done. And take the immediate page. Page number. What page? Immediate page means the next page. What is the page number? 3131. Yes. See here. Fill in the blanks. You all know na? Fill in the blanks? Yes. Correct, children. And what they have asked here? First is my name is. You remember, you all know your names. Correct na? Yes? Yes. Start writing your name. Okay? You start your name. Okay? I am writing my name. Fine? Yes, you all know my name now? Okay. So I will write my name. You will write your name. Write your name here. My name is. Yes, you all write your own name. Okay? Okay. See, if you know your surname, you can write fully. If you know all only the first letter, that is also enough. Okay? See, initial Vishwanath Mulumudi means Vishwanath dot M. You can write it. Or Vishwanath dot Mulumudi if you know the full spelling. Okay? If you know the full surname, you can write fully. What is your name? Vishwanath dot surname. Okay, children? Fine? Okay. Now I have written my name. See, my name is Jayalakshmi dot G. Okay? Good. So the same way you all write your name? Good. Oh, you know your surname too. Very good. You know, I know you know your surname, but you know to write fully? Very good. Very good. Super. Right. Very good, children. Keep it up. And what is the picture they have given? Yes? Picture of a plate. The same thing? Yes, children. So what is that? See, you have written your name. Correct? So it comes like as if you are telling. Correct, na? So how it will be? My. What of? Whose name? Your name. Correct? On the top, if you read, it will be my name. Correct? You're all writing, written your name, na? You're all writing your name and written your name. Yes? Okay. So the next sentence should go on the same extent. And this is my plate. What is that picture? Picture of a plate. So this is my plate. Okay, done. Good. Next picture below the plate picture. What is that? Picture of a pen. This is my, they have given. We should write only pen. Correct. Yes, dash. Yes. See, it should be small letters. Okay? Yes. Nice, children. What is the third picture? Pan. So this is my pan. P should sit on the line. Okay? Good. What is that fourth picture? Star. So we have to write this. I know, children, you all know now how we will write in the fill in the blanks. One word in one box. Correct? So this in one box, is in one box, my in one box, star in one box. See, you are all getting stars. Nah? So we'll say, you who got this? This is mine. I got the star. Correct? So you have to, when we write it, we can say, this is my star. Okay? Yes, you got the star. Correct, na? So you will say, this is my star. Yes, na? The same way. Correct. Okay. And next comes the picture of a clock. What is it? So how you will write? Now you tell me. My, using my, how you will write? Vareva. Very good, children. So nice. Keep it up. This is my clock. Very good. How you will write? This is my clock. Done? Good. And what is the next picture? Yes? Book. This is my book. One more time. This is my book. Done? Good. All written? Areva, very good. So nice, children. Keep it up. Okay. Once done, what you will do? See, they both are jumping. So even my children will be jumping like this now. Once it is done. Yes, now stand up and jump. If you have done, jump. How they were jumping? They jump on the same way. Yes. Wow, good. Very nice. Keep it up, children. Very nice of you. Okay. See you soon, children. Take care. Bye-bye.